Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us on Morning Markets. Today, what I wanted to focus in on was some of the performance of asset markets yesterday and also look to the day ahead and what is a very important day for the European Central Bank in terms of their interest rate policy decision. So just looking at asset markets yesterday, Matt commented on the strong results that we'd seen from technology companies. That certainly fed into the performance of US markets yesterday. But as the day progressed, some softness in that, as we heard from Google, I should say Alphabet, Google's parent company, discussing their job hiring plans and maybe a slowdown there. So very similar to the theme that we heard earlier in the week from Apple as well. And that did take a little bit of steam out of the positive performance of the more technology-oriented areas of the market. The other thing yesterday really in Europe was very much about Italian politics, and we've commented on that a couple of times in recent days, just really given the challenge that Mario Draghi, the Prime Minister, is experiencing in trying to sustain his coalition government. And that's crucial to his decision to take on the role, and the challenge that that's presenting is really suggesting that we will see a change in the Italian political scene. And that's really important at this point in time because the ECB is about to start embarking on its first interest rate increase in 11 years. And really that uncertainty in terms of Italy at this point is a really unwelcome aspect for the ECB today to be considering. Looking also just a very good reminder of the situation and the ongoing war that we have in Ukraine. Russian's foreign minister commenting that really their objectives continue to evolve. What that means, maybe time will tell, but certainly it provides us all with a reminder that that risk and the challenge that is presenting for asset markets hasn't gone away. It's certainly front and centre of thoughts. And indeed today we see how that has played out. There had been some concern that we wouldn't have Nord Stream 1, the gas pipeline from Russia to Germany, turned back on post-maintenance. Important to say that it has, so Germany is getting and receiving gas from Russia post that maintenance, and that allows Germany to build up their gas supplies at this point in time in the summer months, as we then head into the winter months, so that they can draw that down. I think then just turning to the ECB, it's really important to just highlight what's happening there. ECB has been behind other central banks in terms of making changes to interest rate policy. Today, expectations well flagged, 25 basis points increase or 0.25%. We have, however, in recent days, heard speculation that it might be 0.5%, and that would be a step change because that would take us from a negative interest rate to just zero for the ECB. So a very important day for Christine Lagarde and the ECB to communicate their policy objectives going forward. We'll leave it there and we'll certainly come back and discuss that tomorrow. If you're interested in taking your investing to the next level, or would like to know more about the options available to you when you retire, then download our free guides to ISAs and pensions. These are available in the video description below.